Hello, my name is Cristina Bujarano, and welcome to my presentation on designing a solar desalination device which would be able to provide water for a family of 4. A quick project introduction is that we had to explore solar desalination devices and what it is exactly they do and how they do what they do. We learned how to manipulate the water cycle and its importance to the ecosystem and how we can use it to turn salt water into fresh water. And we also performed research on our chosen locations which these desalination devices will be working. Some criteria and constraints of this project. So the criteria that I chose was it must be able to undergo the water cycle process on its own. It can produce at least 3.4 gallons of water daily for a family of 4, and material cannot degrade as a result from water. Some constraints that I had during this project was that I couldn't communicate with Moroccan families directly, so there was a communication barrier there. And the desalination process must be solar induced, the end result of the water must be potable. I'd have to rely on digital materials rather than building a physical model, and the device must be waterproof. The location I chose is to work in Morocco. Morocco is classified as one of the top water-stressed countries in the world. And even though it's a coastal country and is surrounded by water, the citizens can't use it. I designed this project. All of the walls are made of aluminum as it is a high resistance to corrosion. This top part is made of glass, which allows the sunlight into the device and begin the water cycle. As you can see, there is a wall dividing the device into 2 different parts. The larger area is where the salt water would be placed, and the second, smaller area is where the condensed water will fall. In the second chamber, at the bottom of one of the sides is a 1-inch in diameter circle, which will allow the user to either attach a tube or simply place a container underneath it and would give the user the ability to collect the water. When the sunlight hits the water through the glass, it will begin heating up the water, and the water will begin to evaporate and condense on the glass, which provides a sort of pathway to the second chamber, where the water will pool together and make its way out of the device and into the mouths of Moroccan families. Thank you.